Hello friends, on behalf of BNC MS Study Festivity, I am Dr. Pranav Kumar Chakraborty. In online class today, our topic is valuation, a treatment of goodwill in the context of goodwill, showing in the books of accounts. Clear? Goodwill already shown in the books of account. Okay. This is the phase 3 of our accounting, where I have taken up the issues of dissolution of partnership. Dissolution of partnership means, I have already told you repeatedly, right now I am also repeating, dissolution of partnership. Partnership is the relation which subsists between persons who have agreed to share the profit or loss of a business carried on by all or any of them acting for all. So partnership is the relation, and this relation is broken, and this relation is established with the help of the document that is known as partnership deed. And this partnership, whenever there is any changes in partnership deed, it amounts to dissolution of partnership. It happens when the new partner admits, it happens when when someone retires, it happens when a partner dies, or the partnership is dissolved when there is any change in profit sharing ratio. My context is, whenever there is any change in partnership deed, it amounts to dissolution of partnership. But it is not dissolution of partnership firm. In case of dissolution of partnership firm, the business goes into liquidation. There will be no business. But in dissolution of partnership is, there will be continuation of business, but there might have occurred some event that has resulted in the changes in partnership deed. So this is the concept. Okay. Now friend, the topic running with is partnership, partnership admission. Section 3, phase 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all have been devoted for the different issues relating to admission of a partner. Okay, all the links have been given in my videos. Okay, and again you will get the link today in today's deliberation, and please go through for having the better understanding of the topic admission of partner. And episode 37 through 8, 39 and 310, these have been devoted for the valuation of goodwill. Okay, valuation of goodwill, and goodwill has been valued on different bases. I have discussed average profit, maintainable profit, maintainable future profit, super profit and capitalization process. Okay, but again I am coming back to the admission issue with the typical case. Partners, हम लोग क्या किए हैं बाबू? Partner, whenever a new partner enters into the business, he must pay for the premium for goodwill. To whom? The premium for goodwill is to be given to the sacrificing partner. As the new partner is coming in the business, he is gaining some share, and so his gain should be compensated by the sacrifice of the partners. It may be all the old partners, or it may be one. Okay, so the amount of premium paid by the incoming partner will go to the sacrificing partner. आप लोग तो बहुत अच्छे तरीके से जानते हैं, पैसा जब आते हैं, पैसा हम लोग क्या करते हैं, बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट टू प्रीमियम फॉर गुडविल, एंड द प्रीमियम फॉर गुडविल इज डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड टू द sacrificing partner. Okay, in their sacrificing ratio. Clear? But how the value premium for goodwill is calculated? Premium for goodwill is calculated in that way. No, I have shown you premium for goodwill. Okay, I am writing in short, friend, because you are aware of it. Value of goodwill into incoming partner's share. Okay, say the value of goodwill is 60,000, and the incoming partner is coming for 1/5 share. This value of premium for goodwill will be 12,000. Okay, and this 12,000 will be distributed among the sacrificing partner in the sacrificing ratio. ठीक है ना? आप लोग तो ये सब जानते हैं. Now, what happens when some amount goodwill exists in the books of accounts? What happens? Let us take a problem. Okay, herein is the problem. The P and Q are partners of a firm, sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. So their ratio is 3:2. Clear? They admit or for 1/5 partner. So what I have told you, friend, आप लोग जब प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कीजिएगा तब जो प्रॉब्लम तो जो दिया रहेगा ना उसको सिनॉप्सिस कर लीजिएगा। यस, सो माने आपको इतना बड़ा प्रॉब्लम पढ़ना नहीं पड़ेगा। यू मेक ए सिनॉप्टिक नोट ऑफ द सॉल्विंग नोट, सॉल्यूशन नोट ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम, माने जस्ट इशू द इंफॉर्मेशन व्हिच वुड हेल्प, व्हिच विल गाइड यू टू गेट द प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व। अच्छा, नाउ द गुडविल स्टैंड्स इन द बुक्स एट द टाइम ऑफ एडमिशन इज 30,000। देखो इतना दिन में हम लोग जो पहले जो किए थे उधर बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट्स में कोई गुडविल नहीं था, लेकिन इस टाइम पे गुडविल इन द बुक्स, ऑलरेडी इन द बुक्स 30,000, बट इट शुड बी वैल्यूड एट रुपीज 80,000। लेकिन ये लोग वैल्यू किए हैं क्या, 80,000। ठीक है, तो गुडविल स्टैंड्स इन द बुक, जस्ट लिसन इट, टेक इट माइन्यूटली। गुडविल एक किताब में है, इन द बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट इट इज, बट एग्जैक्टली इट्स रियल वैल्यू, प्रेजेंट वैल्यू इज PV, present value. Present value has got some different concept, but and here present value means the value to date. आज का डेट पे इसका वैल्यू है 80,000। अच्छा, आर पेज रुपीज 80,000 एज इज कैपिटल एंड द रिक्वायर्ड प्रीमियम। और कितना दे रहे हैं बाबू, और 80,000 दे रहा है। 80,000 के अंदर में क्या रहेगा, उसको दो चीज़ रहेगा। 80,000 इक्वल्स टू प्रीमियम फॉर गुडविल, हम ऐसे लिखते हैं PG एंड कैपिटल। ओके, तो ए पार्ट ऑफ हिज इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑफ 80,000, इन्होंने जो 80,000 रुपया बिजनेस में डाल रहे हैं, इसका अंदर में क्या क्या है, 2 पार्ट है। एक है उसको प्रीमियम फॉर गुडविल और एक है कैपिटल, हिज कैपिटल। Okay, clear? Now, so the journal entries in the following alternative. If the old goodwill is maintained in the books and if the old goodwill account is not maintained. अच्छा, now see, देखो, here is the issue. तो आप लोग ये तो समझ लिए हैं, the premium for goodwill is calculated on the basis of value of goodwill. हमारा वैल्यू कितना है बाबू, वैल्यू गुडविल का वैल्यू है 80,000। ठीक है, तो इट इज 80,000 and new partner share is 1/5, so it should be 16,000. People will normally do that. People will normally do that. But friend, it is absolutely wrong. It is absolutely wrong. Take it into account properly. ये जब आप 16,000 इसको वैल्यूएशन कर रहे हैं, इसका मतलब है 16,000 जब प्रीमियम फॉर गुडविल है, तो अब गुडविल 80,000। बट आपको तो गुडविल ऑलरेडी बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट्स में 30,000 है, जिसके लिए आप लोग क्या किए हैं, आप लोग ऑलरेडी यू हैव पास्ड द जर्नल एंट्री, गुडविल अकाउंट डेबिट टू मिस्टर P and to Mr. Q in the old ratio. What is the ratio? 3:2. That 30,000 has already in the books of accounts. Okay, कितना, 6, ताई तो। Now this statement has already made before the entry of Mr. R. Sorry, PQ है, और आने का पहले ये एंट्री हम कर चुके हैं। ठीक है, तो आज का जो वैल्यू ऑफ गुडविल है कितना, 80,000। फिर भी आप 80,000 को कंसीडर करो, तो इसका टोटल वैल्यू हो जाएगा कितना, 30,000 प्लस 80,000, 1,10,000। क्लियर? सो व्हाट वी शुड डू, when the incoming partner, when the value, some amount of goodwill stands in the book, what will we do, that is the old value and the new value is 80,000. So what is the additional value? We should work with the additional value of goodwill. So what is the additional value of goodwill? The additional value of goodwill is 50,000. 50,000. That is the additional value. Clear? Because this 30,000 has already been existing in the books of account. Okay? So we should consider only the 50,000. Now, if the incoming partner pays the premium, what will be the premium? The premium will be, देखो कितना होगा, 1/5. He is coming for 1/5, so 1/5 share, so the premium will be 10,000. Clear? So premium will be 10,000. Clear? I am making the journal entry. What will be the premium if he pays the premium? So friend, this is the basic issue. Bear it in mind. If the incoming partner pays the premium, Okay, the premium will be calculated from the value of goodwill, need value of goodwill. तार में कि इसका मतलब है premium for goodwill equals to, देखो total, मैं इसी तरीके से लिख दिया, total value of goodwill minus book value of goodwill into incoming partner share. So what is the total value of goodwill? It is 80,000. It is 80,000. Value of, book value of goodwill existing, how much? 30,000 into 1/5. So it is 50,000 and 1/5 of 50,000. Okay, that is 10,000. So 10,000 should be the value of goodwill to be paid by the new partner. Okay. Now देखो तो ये क्या होगा 10,000. तो 10,000 होने से ये journal entry already existing. It is not at the time of admission. Okay. Bank account debit. Bank account debit to premium for goodwill. I am writing in short. Okay, friend. 10,000. And this 10,000 will be distributed among the sacrificing partner P and Q in sacrificing ratio. Okay. In my previous class I have shown it and I have repeatedly told you, when the old ratio, when the new ratio of the existing partner, remaining partner same as before, then sacrificing ratio is equals to old ratio. पहले वो लोग देखो कौन रेशियो में लेते थे 3:2 एंड 3:2 एंड ये 3:2 और इन लोगों का न्यू रेशियो क्या होगा 12:4. So it is again 3:2 as between themselves. So sacrificing ratio will be equals to the old ratio. Still I have calculated the sacrificing ratio. देखो how do we calculate the sacrificing ratio? Sacrificing ratio हम लोग कैसे निकालेंगे बाबू? देखो 8 शेयर कितना 1/5. Remaining part क्या 1 minus 1/5, that is 4/5. This 4/5, that is the remaining part, should be distributed between P and Q as per their old ratio. Okay, so Q's share will be, P's share will be 4/5, 3/5 of 4/5, and Q's share will be 2/5 of 4/5, and so it will be 12/25 and 8/25, and Q's share 1/5. I have just made it 25. So it is 12, 8 and 5. So new ratio is 12, 8, 5. So this is the new ratio I have already calculated, and here the sacrificing ratio has been calculated 325 and 225. So it is 3:2. So sacrificing ratio is 3:2 and it will be, so goodwill account is 10,000 premium for goodwill. So 3:2 means 6,000 and 4,000. Normally we should make the entry. Okay, देखो this is already existing in the books. तो हम लोग क्या सीखे बाबू? His premium for goodwill is calculated on the basis of the value of goodwill. I would like to say unrecorded value of goodwill. आप लोग माथा पे रखिए unrecorded value, unrecorded value, unrecorded value of goodwill. Okay, what is unrecorded value? Unrecorded value is the value of the goodwill on that date, the date value of goodwill minus the value amount of goodwill shown in the books of accounts. In the books of accounts we have already registered, or we have already noted the value of goodwill is 30,000. So and the total value of goodwill is 80,000. So friends, our value here premium for goodwill will be 1/5 of 50,000. That is unrecorded value of goodwill, and it is 10,000. So we have to work with this amount. Okay, clear? So premium for goodwill account debit to bank account debit to premium for goodwill, and the premium for goodwill will be distributed among the sacrificing ratio in the ratio of 3:2. That is sacrificing ratio. Again I have established, if the new ratio as between the old partner remains the same, if the new ratio as between the old partners remain the same, so it is 3:2, the sacrificing ratio will be 3:2. Okay, these are the technical hints. You please bear it in mind, because it will help you reducing your labor in the days of examination, at the time of examination. Okay, so friends, so this part we have already cleared. Now think, if the incoming partner pays the premium, now consider the simple part. What he is giving? He is giving rupees 80,000. So how much amount is coming? Bank account debit. Bank account debit 80,000. Who gives it? Mr. R. Okay. And इसका मतलब premium for goodwill कितना होगा बाबू? 10,000. Okay. 10,000 premium for goodwill and balance with his capital. R's capital. Okay. How much? It is 70,000. So this is the general entry. Clear? Now this premium, what will you do? In normal sequence, we have to do it. Okay. This premium for goodwill will be account debit to Mr. P and Mr. Q. 10,000. So it is 6,000 and 4,000. Clear? This is the first. This is the general treatment. Now let us come to what has been stated. What are the alternatives given? If the goodwill is maintained in the books. देखो, if the goodwill is maintained in the books, it will be this situation. Clear? If the goodwill account is maintained, क्योंकि हम लोग का किताब में कितना है? 30,000 goodwill दिखाया गया है, तो ये रहेगा किताब में. तो पार्टनर्स क्या करेंगे? ये जो न्यू पार्टनर will only pay the premium on the remaining part, unrecorded value. Clear? Now if he fails, so he has paid that premium. Now if he fails the premium for goodwill, what will you do? If he fails to pay the premium, I know, you know better, it has been discussed repeatedly, you will raise the goodwill account in the books of account. Okay, raising. In that case, what will be? It will be raised in the full value. So goodwill account debit, how much? Goodwill already existing 50,000, 30,000, so remaining part will be raised. 50,000 debit to Mr. P and Mr. Q in their old ratio. Okay, old ratio 3:2. Clear? So it is 30,000 and it is 20,000. Now whenever you will prepare the new balance sheet, what will be the amount of goodwill existing in the books? It will be 30,000 already existed, and the new value that has been raised in the books of account, that is 50,000. So goodwill will be 30,000 already existed in the books, and added rupees 50,000 added, so it is total 80,000. And P and Q's capital already has enhanced by rupees 18,000 for the previous year record, previous raising, and now it is again raised by 30,000 and 20,000 respectively. Clear? So this is the first alternative. If the old goodwill is maintained in the books, if the old goodwill is maintained in the books, if the new partner pays the premium, mind it, take it granted, the old goodwill is maintained, so ये 30,000 रह जाएगा. तो वो प्रीमियम देगा, तो कितना प्रीमियम देगा बाबू? He will pay the premium of 10,000. Clear? Because the premium has been calculated on the unrecorded value of goodwill. Unrecorded value of goodwill. Clear? So it is bank account debit to PM for goodwill and PM for goodwill account debit to P and Q in this way. Clear? But if he fails to pay the premium, okay, if he fails to pay the premium, in that case goodwill account will be debited and P and Q account will be credited. Clear? So we have got the first part done. Clear? It is the first part we have completed. Now, if the old goodwill is not maintained, हम लोग old goodwill को maintain नहीं करना चाहते हैं, तो हम लोग क्या करना पड़ेगा? हम लोगों को पहले जो है goodwill उसको हमको write up करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है? समझते हैं ना? चलो तुम्हारा नाम स्कूल का रजिस्टर में है, तो तुमको हम नहीं मेंटेन करेंगे, तो your name should be deleted from the register. In that way goodwill account will be deleted. So goodwill account should be credited. Goodwill account should be credited by rupees 30,000 and debited by P and Q. It is how much? 18,000 and 12,000. ठीक है? देखो. So what is your first class? This will be the first journal entry. Our first journal entry in the event when the old goodwill account is not maintained. If you do not like to maintain the goodwill, you have to write off the goodwill. Okay? Goodwill account को हम लोग किताब से निकालेंगे. कैसे निकालेंगे? हम सर कौन एक लड़का सूरज बोले सर उसको इरेज कर दीजिए ना. भाई वो सब इरेजिंग नहीं होता है, वो एक डेट में हुआ था. इरेजिंग इज ए केस ऑफ करप्शन. ओके, सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू मेड इट डेबिट एट द टाइम ऑफ रेजिंग, यू शुड क्रेडिट इट. ओके, ये जीरो हो जाएगा और इन दोनों को कैपिटल भी घट जाएगा. नाउ नेक्स्ट, व्हाट विल बी द वैल्यू ऑफ गुडविल, value of premium, what I have already told you, premium is to be calculated on the unrecorded value of goodwill. Okay, तो पहले इधर हम लोग क्या देखे थे, गुडविल पहले 80,000 था, 80,000 हुए हैं, अभी 30,000 थे, तो डिफरेंस कितना है 50,000, उसके ऊपर हम प्रीमियम कैलकुलेट किए हैं उसके ऊपर. लेकिन इधर हम लोग क्या करेंगे, गुडविल का अनरिकॉर्डेड वैल्यू कितना था, रिकॉर्डेड वैल्यू कितना था 30,000, उसको हम क्या किए हैं, न्यूट्रलाइज कर दिए. ओके, तो व्हाट इज द अनरिकॉर्डेड वैल्यू ऑफ गुडविल, द अनरिकॉर्डेड वैल्यू ऑफ गुडविल इज 80,000. सो प्रीमियम विल बी हाउ मच, प्रीमियम फॉर गुडविल विल बी 80,000, that is total unrecorded at the moment unrecorded, as because we have already deleted this amount and it is 1/5. ठीक है, so it is how much, 16,000. So 16,000 will be the premium for goodwill. So what will be his journal entry? Second journal entry will be journal entry 2. Bank account debit to premium for goodwill and arts capital. Arts कितना दे रहा है बाबू, arts दे रहा है 80,000. It includes two things. One thing is what, 16,000 is premium for goodwill and remaining 64,000 will be his capital. Clear? Will be his capital. Now this 60,000 will be distributed between P and Q. PM for goodwill account debit to Mr. P and to Mr. Q. In what ratio? Sacrificing ratio, 3:2. Okay, now what is the value of, what is 3:2? Clear? 15/5. 16/5 कितना होता है, 3.2. ओके, 9,600 and 5,400. Sorry, 6,400. Okay, so that will be in the journal entry. Clear? Understood? So देखो, if the old partners, if the old goodwill is maintained in the books, इसका मतलब है ये मेंटेन है, ये ऑलरेडी है, ये था पहले से, हम इसको मेंटेन करेंगे. देन गुडविल वो लोग कितना प्रीमियम लेकर आएंगे, प्रीमियम विल बी अनरिकॉर्डेड वैल्यू ऑफ गुडविल इनटू इनकमिंग पार्टनर्स शेयर. ओके, शेयर, तो अनरिकॉर्डेड वैल्यू कितना 30. ऑलरेडी देखो, 80,000 is the present value minus 30,000 is the recorded value, so unrecorded value is 50,000, so it is 50,000 into 1/5. Okay, clear? So that is the journal entry. Clear? So it is existing, it is not our case today, but what will happen, he will give the old is maintained in the books. इसका मतलब है वो प्रीमियम के लिए इतना देंगे और ये प्रीमियम उधर जाएगा, और वो जो टोटल बैंक है, देखो इसको हम थोड़ा सा फाइनल कर देते हैं. ही पेज 80,000, सो बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट टू प्रीमियम फॉर गुडविल टू आर्ट्स कैपिटल. ओके, he pays how much, he pays 80,000. Out of that, premium for goodwill will be 10,000 and his capital will be 70,000. So these will be the journal entry under the two existing alternatives. First alternative, the goodwill account is maintained in the books. Very good, goodwill account जैसा था वैसे ही हुआ. तो प्रीमियम कितना हुआ, अनरिकॉर्डेड वैल्यू ऑफ गुडविल को ऊपर 1/5, ये कितना हुआ 10,000. So he pays 80,000. Out of that 10,000 is premium for goodwill and 70,000 capital. Okay. So this goodwill will be distributed between among segregation ratio P into R, P and R in the ratio 3:2 and segregation ratio. But if the goodwill account is not maintained, then what you will have to do, you have to write off goodwill. I am writing off writing of the value of goodwill. This is the first journal entry. Here we have two journal entry. One journal entry at the time of admission, friend. Second, and here we have to maintain. Old is not maintained, so we have to writing it off first, and then the goodwill. Then the premium will be calculated on the basis of 80,000. So it is 16,000. He is giving the bank amount 80,000. So a part will be for premium for goodwill, and the remaining part goes for his capital, and this 60,000 is distributed between P and Q in the side version issue. Okay, friend. So this is in the clear discussion, detailed discussion of what happens if the goodwill account stands in the books, okay, at the time of admission. Okay, so thank you, friend. Go through the topic properly. Any problem, you must go through the previous video. You will be able to clear your doubts, and further, if you have any doubts, make comments. I will answer in your queries. Okay, and even you may text me in my WhatsApp message. Okay, thank you very much.